You are absolutely wasting your time unless you do this quick little trick that is extremely, extremely powerful. No exaggerations. Little context, I do offer a podcast. I've had a podcast since 2013. And I just say that I'm coming up on 400 episodes. So I've talked to a lot of traders. And there's one underlying theme that I can't say happens every time, but a whole lot of times the traders don't do this one simple thing. And then they come back and say, you know how much time that wasted me, Clay? You know how many bad habits I built? You know how much false hope I had where I'm like, wow, this is okay. And then they just get a rude awakening. So this is not me thinking that this is a problem. This is not me theorizing it's a problem. It is a problem. But my goal here is for you to just say, that's it. Did you really make a video for all this? And yes, I did, because it's that simple, but it is so powerful. Now, one part of trading is paper trading. Many different terms for this: demo trading, simulator trading, but you're just practice trading. It's not real money, but you're getting the feel of it with real money because it's allowing you to operate. You get the same platform and you do all sorts of great things where you are actually, it feels like trading. It's just not, trading in the sense of if you make money, you're not actually making money. If you lose money, you're not actually losing that money. So there's a lot of benefits. There's a lot of positives for it, but you do need to make sure that now the paper trading platform I show you, I would definitely recommend, but I'm not saying that you have to use this one, but what I am saying is they better give you the choice to do this one easy thing. So let's go here, and this is Webull, and I'll put a link down below. They're always running great promotions and stuff that allow you to paper trade stocks and options and crypto. But the key thing here, and just to walk you through it and to make sure that your broker or your platform, whoever you're using, if you're not going to use Webull, has this option. But so when Webull here, we're on the paper trading platform of it right there. You can see paper trading. So what you're going to want to do for this one is on your widgets, you want to come up here and on, you have all these different things that you can add, but on paper, you're going to want to click on the account detail. And right here, just make this nice and big. You can see that the default is $1 million. $1 million. Isn't that awesome? And that's fantastic. Wow, I got $1 million. Now, of course, it's fake money, but hey, you know what? $1 million to trade with. This is just, and I should probably send Webull a note. There should be a pop-up window that says this, and this is the question that you need to ask yourself. How much money am I gonna have? Okay, how much money I'm gonna have in regards to what? When you start trading, how much money are you gonna have that you plan on trading with? That is such a critical question. You need to answer that question before you ever start paper trading or demo trader or similar trading. How much money am I going to have? And once you have that amount, and you're gonna click over here, at least on Webull, reset, and let's just say it's gonna be $500. So change that to 500, click reset, and there you go, $500. You are now gonna be trading, you're now gonna be practicing with $500. And I understand that may not seem like a lot in the sense of, okay, does this detail really matter? And yeah, it does. There's a massive difference between trading with $1 million, $500,000, $50,000, $5,000, and $500. There's a big difference. And what happens all the time is people, wow, look at all this money I'm making. And then they go and it's an amount of money much less. And everything's just feel different. It's just not quite the same. Well, yeah, it's not quite the same because now you have a much more constrained, capital situation and you don't have as much money. So that's it. That's all I want you to do. Paper trade, yes. But before you ever do a paper trade, make sure you ask the question, how much money am I gonna have? And then whatever paper trader platform you're using, make sure they have the choice for you to be able to change that to whatever amount you're gonna have. And if you do that, you're gonna save yourself so much time by not building bad habits and by giving yourself as realistic as practice as possible. So that's it. How much am I gonna have? Change it. And then there you go. Then at that point, you can start paper trading. If you do want to use Webull, then again, I'll put a link down below. They're always doing promotions, giving away free stock and money if you sign up with them. And I always make the argument, if you're going to get a good paper trading platform, which you are with Webull, why not get paid to use them? And when they're giving away stock and money and all that sort of stuff, it's totally free to use a quality platform. So definitely consider Webull, but if not, just make sure that they have that choice for you to change whatever your capital is gonna actually be. So if you found this helpful, hit that like button, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and ask yourself that question: how much money am I gonna have? First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I wanna invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.